Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is the second part of our bakery. So right now I have my mom here again that she's going to show us another recipe. I'm just gonna let her mention what kind of recipe she has for us today. Yes, I'm more probably music. Yeah, there was a party and I didn't have it. Polo. Okay. So guys, if you know polo, it's the bigger ones or the bigger version of achomo. The chin-chin. How you call it chin-chin. That is the biggest part of that. So mom, but you know better the your chin-chin.
And we say no man none they say
flour.
Nah, sugar has it. Maybe I will and I will flavor. One in pineapple flavor.
And like I say, we have one now, which one? We have a Sunday my idea, sir. You know the same. Wow, okay. So guys, as she said, we have our flour right here, we have nutmeg, we have our salt, sugar, margarine, pineapple flavor, vanilla flavor on this one. We have baking soda and the baking powder, and of course we have our mix right here that we're going to use it to do the work for us. Alright guys, so now we have everything here. We have our flour, we have water, we have everything. So Ma is going to show us how to, you know, mix them using this processor. So Ma, but with me I cost what I mean why?
This is sugar flowers.
Yeah. It's about a cup of water.
Here dainty so near family.
I
should so fuck a cream.
Half. You have one, so 1/3 of the sugar. She's going to use it, not all of it. And then she's adding the pineapple flavor right here. And we have the vanilla extract. She's adding about a half teaspoon each. This stuff right here is very strong, so she's very careful on what kind of or the amount she uses. And a half teaspoon of salt. Mom, how many cups in the
We use 3.
3, okay. So she's going to use about 3 cups of flour. This is the soft one. That is 3 cups. And she's going to add baking powder also. This is about a half teaspoon of baking powder. You are adding our nutmeg. Nice one. When the recipe, they put the baking powder and baking soda. Just a little bit of baking soda on this side. I'm gonna add margarine also. Wow. Alright guys, we are adding margarine as well. We are friendly polo, Ghana polo, the bigger ones, the bigger pieces. Yes. That's what we are going to make today. So she's using about half pack of the margarine. Yeah. So guys, we are going to mix it together. Alright guys, so now it is done, so we are going to check and see how it is. The machine has done well. Yeah, I think so. This time we should be ready. Alright guys, so we will be back. Alright guys, so now we have our dough right here. It's nicely mixed, you know. We're going to use we don't have the one that we usually do, so we're going to use the batter like the old-fashioned way, you know, just to get the flat surface of it. I'm not blending me one kakala. You know how back in those days they used the batter to do these things, you know. If you don't have the original roller, use this to roll it. She's going to cut it into pieces and she will show you how to cut it. Make sure the dough is very thickened and it's very dry, because this dough right here is very thick and dry, so that way you can get the right chin chin or the whatever you call it. What you trying to tell? Alright guys, so she's going to cut all of them like that. Let me actually. Don't worry. Okay. So guys, I'm going to cut some and for you guys to see. Alright guys, so now we have our polo ready. Mom has cut it nicely and this is how it's supposed to be cut. So we are going to fry this and then guys we will show you. So let's go. Achumon or chin chin. This is Ghana style. Guys, welcome back. So we are finally done with the polo. So as you can see, this is how the local one is. This is close to chin chin, the little one, the little pieces that they cut and then fried, and this one is the big pieces one. So today it is ready. So guys, I am going to take one and I'm going to break it for you guys to see how it's look from the outside and the inside. So come close guys. Now I'm going to take one like I said and I'm going to break it for you. Look at how beautiful this polo looks like, chin chin, the bigger one. So wow, look at how crispy from the outside. I just say a crispy and kasa. So kama and I so kama. Oh, look at that guys. So guys, so this is how it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. My that's a pass. Oh boy, a recipe. Come and say. Never mind, man. I'm reading now. I'm and none over the other. So guys, when people want to show you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and let us know how yours turn out. And please always try this recipe. This is typical homemade Ghana achumong, or how do you call polo or chin chin, however you call it. So see you soon, and your coupon should be better. My bye.